This is the new Google Pixel 9a. It's got the Google Tensor G4 processor, 8 gig of RAM, 128 gig of storage, also goes up to 256 gig. It is a 60 to 120 hertz variable refresh rate, 6.3 inch Actua display with Corning Gorilla Glass. That's Gorilla Glass 3 specifically, a 48 megapixel wide camera and a 13 megapixel ultra wide, of course with a 13 megapixel camera, punch out camera on the front here. Using it in the hand, it feels snappy, not quite as snappy, of course, as the Pro Series, the 9 Pro Fold, which I'm more accustomed to. But as you can see here, it's definitely moving around, launching Chrome. Apparently somebody did an Octane test on it right here, so very nice. All right, here we go up on YouTube. The Wi-Fi in here has been absolutely terrible, but they're not paying for premium, so we've got some ads.
Slowly but surely, the legacy apps all.
Yeah.
Skip.
We have one right now. We have a.
Wow, this phone is light. This is a very light phone. So here you go.
27, 28, actually. It's SAP.
So,
We got the volume rocker over on the side here. Pretty good sound.
wasn't too long ago you would still see AS400.
Apologies, at this point somebody came right next to me and started having a conversation, so I've switched to voiceover for this part. As you saw me do before, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Comparing it to my Pixel 9 Pro Fold, closed, you can see what the screen looks like. Opened up, see the inside screen of the 9 Pro Fold compared with the new Pixel 9a. The screen is bright and definitely sharp, clear, readable, etc. Definitely usable for a mid-range phone. You can see the thickness compared to the Pixel 9 Pro. Back. It's missing that trademark camera bump, the chin as we've taken to calling it. But overall it's a very sleek phone. Very nice, very comfortable to hold in the hand, and extremely light. That is the thing that I would say I noticed the most, is how light this phone is. Taking a look at the back, like I said, that chin is gone. You do have the two cameras mentioned earlier, as well as the flash. Down on the bottom you have one side speaker, the SIM slot, and the USB-C charger.